Welcome to PowerBookMedic.com's review of Snow Leopard. We just got our copies in this morning and went ahead and installed it so we can tell you what's new and what you'll be looking forward to when you get your copy. Most of the features on this new release are going to be under the hood to increase performance and efficiency of the operating system. 64-bit support is now in there. Support for multi-core processors is going to be a lot easier for developers now. So there's still some interface additions to this new version. Most of it's nothing major, but I'll go ahead and show you some of these. One thing is with Windows 7 they have a little Taskbar Preview feature, and Apple wanted to make something to compete with that. So using Expose, you can now just left click and hold down on icons in your dock and it'll pop up and show you all of the open windows for that specific application, and then you can just go over and highlight them and click on one and it'll open it up like that. Pretty much if you click on it again, it'll differentiate if it's something that's minimized or if it's something that's just hidden, so you can see which one to choose based on that. Stacks now. Most people really didn't use stacks much from what I've heard. I mean, just basic stuff, just choosing an image. But now it supports this more spring-loaded type folders. So if you find a video in there, you can click on that and it'll open up again, and then you can look in the image there. So just go to the stack, choose a folder, it'll stack that folder as well, and then you can choose one of the individual images. You can also see it has a scroll bar now, so if there's a bunch of stuff in there. So that works pretty well. Finder is now 64-bit, so all of your file processes are going to run a lot faster now. Copying files, moving files. Time Machine works a lot better now. It's a lot faster doing the backups. I'm doing one right now actually. So the installer worked pretty well. Took about 55 minutes for us to install it. They rated about 45 minutes, but our hard drive was pretty full, so I don't know if that's slowed it down a bit. Mail has been upgraded. It adds Exchange support in there. Updates the database to handle that, so now Exchange works with iCal, Mail, everything. That should be good for businesses that run Microsoft Exchange servers. The other big feature is Quicktime. Apple's released a new version of that, Quicktime 10. Pretty much they've gotten rid of Quicktime Pro and are now bundling Quicktime 10 in with it by itself. You can still run Quicktime Pro 7 if you like, one of the older versions, but this one seems pretty nice so far. It's taking the black theme instead of the old polished theme, and does the full screen stuff like that. And do a full screen. Don't need Pro anymore. Works pretty well. It also supports movie recording, audio recording, and screen recording, which I'm using that right now actually to do this video. Besides that, there are some updates to the printing system. They've updated cups to the newest version. There's a new feature called Grand Central Dispatch, which will help out programmers to develop multi-core, 64-bit applications, which should, when they start rolling out, should speed it up a lot. But other than that, that's about it. Thank you for watching this. Make sure before you go pick out your copy, this is only for Intel processors. PowerPC processors are not supported, so make sure you have an Intel processor. Core 2 Duo if possible. It'll still run on Core Duo and Core Solo machines, but it's not recommended. Make sure you have a gig of RAM, 5 gigs of disk space, and of course the DVD drive to install it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching.